Hi, today in this video what I wanted to do is give you some strategies for meal prepping. I think the toughest thing for most people when they start a new eating plan, start a new lifestyle is what the heck am I going to eat and preparing everything. So one of the easiest things you can do is just have a schedule of what you're going to be eating for the week. There's a lot of meal plans online, but I usually just try to keep it simple. Sometimes if I'm just kind of transitioning into a new eating plan, I'll eat the same thing for breakfast for 3, 4, 5 days in a row just to keep it simple. So that is one of the easiest ways, and just keep it basic. Don't go out and get all these recipes that require all these different ingredients that you don't have. Second thing is, like I said, plan for the week. Use Sunday as a prep day. Get the family involved. Make a huge salad. That's one of the things we do. Is we make a huge salad, and I have enough for several days. That salad is usually my base of my lunch and dinner. If I eat 2 meals a day, because a lot of times now I'm only eating maybe 1 meal a day, maybe 2 meals a day, just because I've been in a fat adapted state for such a long time that it's very rare that I eat 3 meals a day now. So use the salad as your base and put your protein on there. So Sundays we use it as a prep day, and you have enough for like 3 days. Chop up a lot of vegetables, throw them in your salad, have them ready for stir fries, make soups, make meatloaves, and that way you can just package them into containers. Smoothies, salads, this is what I do. I buy a lot of these mason jars and I make green drinks in there. So this is something that's been through the blender, actually through my Vitamix. So that's something that you can do for meal planning. A couple other things that I like to do. I love making the cucumber water. All it is water. Put a little bit of aloe vera in there. Put some cucumber, chop it up, squeeze some lemon in there, and it's like a lemonade with cucumber. Put a little bit of stevia if you want, and you can sip on that throughout the day. Breakfast, I try to keep real simple. If I do that, if you're still feeling you need breakfast, just have, we make the chia seed pudding, which basically is a whole can of coconut milk, and then we fill the can with half of it with water. Put like half a cup of chia seeds, put it all in a blender with some berries, like a cup or half a cup of berries, and you can make 3 to 4 servings for the week. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So it's really just simplifying things. Other breakfast meal prepping things is if you have coffee in the morning, just set the timer for the morning. Sometimes what I'll do as well is just I put everything in the blender, like the ghee, the butter, the cream, the stevia. I put everything in the blender already in the refrigerator, and then the coffee starts brewing in the morning, and all I do is just when the coffee's done, just pour it in the blender and blend it and put it in my one of my warm beverage containers, and I'm good to go. So that's something really simple. Cooking chicken, making enough for several days. There's so many ways that you can bake it. I like to fry it with using coconut aminos, which is like a soy sauce, except it's coconut oils. It's coconut. And I just kind of caramelize it. It tastes kind of like really sweet. And another strategy is using the mason jars, as I talked about, making a green drink and putting them in food storage containers to go. So there you go. Those are some simple strategies. I'll catch you on the next video.